Hi, I'm Yumi.
And I'm JoJo.
And welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this last week at SJIIES. Start the clock.
Monday, everyone came eagerly back into school, ready to enjoy the final school week of 2021 with teachers and friends. The virtue of this week, love.
Tuesday, staff and students had the chance to admire all of the creativity on display as part of the art exhibition for grades 2 to 5.
Wednesday was a very special day for our grade 6 students as they celebrated the end of their time in the elementary school and took part in their final graduation.
Thursday, classes across all grades took some time to enjoy each other's company while taking part in a variety of end-of-year activities.
Friday, we finished the week and the year by saying goodbye and good luck to both teachers and classmates before heading off for a well-deserved break.
On behalf of the entire ESTV team, I'm Yumi.
And I'm JoJo.
Thanks so much for all of your support this year. Have a great holiday and we'll see you again next time.